Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every fastener counts, having the right tool makes all the difference. Whether you're working on vehicles, bikes, machinery, or delicate equipment, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best Allen wrench sets, chosen for their reliability, ease of use, accuracy, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. At number 1, we have the Wera 950/9 Multicolour Set. Wera has a reputation for completely rethinking standard tools, and this set is the perfect example of that philosophy in action. It all starts with their patented Hex-Plus profile. Unlike standard hex keys that put pressure on the sharp points of the screw head, this design increases the contact zones inside the fastener. This significantly reduces the notching effect that strips fasteners out. In the real world, this means you get up to 20% more torque transfer without damaging the screw. An absolute lifesaver when you are dealing with seized, rusted, or older bolts that are prone to stripping. Ergonomically, these are fantastic. The Take It Easy tool finder system uses color-coded thermoplastic sleeves, allowing for instant size identification even in a cluttered toolbox. Furthermore, the round bar design is much more comfortable than traditional sharp-edged keys, preventing hand pain during high-force use. While the sleeves add a slight thickness that might be tight in very specific spaces, the black laser treatment ensures incredible corrosion protection. Combined with a ball end for angled access, this is a top-tier choice for precision work, where preserving the integrity of the fastener is paramount. At number 2, we have the Bondhus 2019-99 Wrench Pack. Regarded as the industry standard for pure durability, this double pack covers both metric and standard sizes with a refreshing, no-nonsense approach. These are made in the USA from proprietary Protanium steel, which Bondhus claims is 20% stronger than the competition. This isn't just marketing fluff. It prevents the dangerous snapping and shattering often seen in cheaper, brittle alternatives. If you've ever had a cheap key snap off inside a bolt head, you know exactly why this steel matters. They also feature ProGuard, a dry crystal coating that offers superior rust resistance and a better grip than standard black oxide finishes. The standout feature here, however, is the precision-machined ball driver tip. This allows you to insert the key into a fastener at angles up to 25 degrees. This is absolutely essential for reaching blind spots or obstructed fasteners, where a straight-on approach is physically impossible. Users also rave about the case. The keys lock in with a simple twist mechanism, so if you drop the set, the keys won't scatter everywhere. While they lack the fancy color coding of other brands, their sheer toughness makes them a lifelong investment for mechanics who value raw function over flash.
At number 3, we have the Klein Tools BLS 18 set. Klein brings their legendary industrial reliability to this 18-piece set, smartly consolidating both SAE and metric sizes into a single two-sided caddy. This design choice eliminates the need for separate holders, effectively cutting your toolbox clutter in half, which is ideal for HVAC techs or electricians who are constantly on the go or climbing ladders. The keys themselves are heat-treated and tempered for strength, featuring a rust-resistant black phosphate coating that is built to withstand job site abuse. Ergonomics are prioritized here as well, with plastic sleeves on the round shanks offering a much better grip than bare metal, especially during high torque tasks where your hands might be sweaty. The high-visibility orange caddy is clearly marked, making for quick selection in low-light environments. Users also appreciate the chamfered ends, which slides smoothly into fasteners without fighting for alignment, a small detail that saves a lot of frustration.
At number 4, we have the Kraftek Toolant Allen wrenches. This 22-piece set really stands out from the crowd thanks to a clever patented holder featuring a built-in magnetizer and demagnetizer. This is a brilliant addition. Sliding the wrench through the specific slot magnetizes the tip to hold screws securely. This is a massive benefit when you are working in tight engine bays or trying to thread a bolt into a recessed hole. It prevents that dreaded sound of a screw falling into the abyss of your machinery. Conversely, you can demagnetize the tool just as easily to avoid picking up metal shavings near sensitive electronics. Crafted from shock-resistant S2 alloy steel, the set includes a full range of metric and SAE sizes to cover almost any task. Each key is wrapped in a textured, color-coded sleeve to improve visibility and provide a non-slip grip,
even if your hands are oily or greasy. Real-world feedback calls the magnetizing feature a game changer for workflow efficiency. Combined with a ball-end design for angled access, this set offers a perfect blend of modern utility and solid performance for the DIY enthusiast and pro alike.
At number 5, we have the MULWARK 17-piece set. For those prioritizing portability over heavy industrial use, this folding set is the ideal solution. Unlike loose L keys that are easy to misplace, MULWARK combines 17 sizes, both metric and SAE, into compact, self-contained handles. This Swiss Army knife style ensures you never lose a key, making it perfect for junk drawer emergencies, glove boxes, or on-the-go repairs. The handles feature rubberized inserts, providing a solid, non-slip grip that allows you to generate a surprising amount of torque despite the small form factor. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these keys handle furniture assembly, bike adjustments, and household appliances with ease. While they aren't built for rebuilding transmissions or breaking rusted lug nuts, they are absolute champions for tightening loose cabinet knobs or fixing bike seats on a trail. Users love the flexible pivot mechanism, which allows you to use the keys at 90-degree or 180-degree angles depending on the clearance available. And that wraps up the top 5 best Allen wrench sets. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.